we have all sorts of goofy things that are going on that sort of dismiss the household, or sort of psychologize it. So we end up playing ball on the other team's court, So we've reinterpreted the household as sort of a way to be happy. And sometimes people sanctify it by saying it's a way to be sanctified. Now, it's true. There are challenges that occur in a household that will be used by God's Spirit in your sanctification. But it's not just an instrumental good that we're talking about here. We're talking about a final good. This is a thing that points to the final thing, the end of the world. So our households are absolutely essential to victory. And so it's a marvelous confluence or congruence of two things. It is instrumental in the sense that this is something that is just a good, in the sense that it's a great place to live, and when it's working right and all these kinds of things. But it's also the point.